Have you ever seen someone online make money in a way that looks almost too easy? Maybe it's a guy trading on his phone while sitting at a beach cafe, or someone claiming they made $10,000 in a week from just one strategy. Or that friend who suddenly started talking about crypto, drop shipping, or some secret method. And for a moment you think, am I missing something? Why does it look so easy for them, but not for me? Here's the uncomfortable truth. If money looks easy, you're probably not seeing the full story. Most people don't chase money. They chase easy money. Because deep down, we all want the same thing. Less effort, more reward. It's human nature. That's why phrases like passive income, make money while you sleep, no experience needed, are so powerful. They tap into a belief that somewhere out there, there's a shortcut, a faster way, a smarter way, an easier way. And maybe you've tried it too. You watched a video, followed a strategy, bought a course, started something new. At first it felt exciting, but then reality hit. It took longer than expected. It felt harder than promised. And the results didn't come quickly. So you moved on to the next easy money idea, and the cycle repeated. This is where most people get stuck, not because they're lazy, but because they believe something that isn't true. Let's break this down simply. There are only 3 real ways people make money. 1. Time. You work, you get paid. 2. Skills. You solve problems, you earn more. 3. Assets. Your money or systems work for you. That's it. Now here's where the illusion begins. When you see easy money online, you're usually seeing the end result of one of these, not the beginning. For example, that trader making money? You're seeing a 10-minute clip of profit, not the 2 years of losses, learning, and stress behind it. That YouTuber earning passive income? You're seeing the ad revenue, not the hundreds of videos that got 0 views. That entrepreneur selling products? You're seeing the sales, not the failed ideas, late nights, and risks they took. It's like watching the final scene of a movie and thinking the whole story was that simple. But here's the deeper problem. Your brain doesn't process it that way. Our brains are wired to look for patterns. And when we see someone succeed quickly, we think, if they did it, I can do it the same way. But we ignore something critical. We only see visible success, not invisible effort. This creates what psychologists call a survivorship bias. We see the winners, but not the thousands who tried and failed. So our brain builds a false story. This is easy. And once that belief is in your mind, you start making decisions based on it. You expect fast results. You lose patience quickly. You quit early. Not because you can't succeed, but because reality doesn't match the expectation. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. There is no such thing as easy money. But there is something close, and that's very different. Easy money means no effort, quick results, instant success. Simple money means clear process, consistent effort, long-term reward. Most people confuse the two. They want easy, but what actually works is simple. Let me explain. Simple example. Imagine 2 people. Person A keeps jumping from one idea to another. Crypto this month, drop shipping next, trading after that. Person B picks one skill, improves it slowly, applies it consistently for years. At first, Person A looks smarter. They're always chasing the next big thing. Person B looks slow. But after 3 to 5 years, Person B has real skills, stable income, growing opportunities. And Person A? Still searching, still restarting, still believing the next thing will finally be easy. Why we fall for the easy money trap. Let's be honest, it's not just about logic, it's emotional. We fall for easy money because we want faster results. We compare ourselves to others. We feel left behind. We're tired of struggling. So when something promises a shortcut, it feels like relief. But shortcuts in money almost always lead to one thing: disappointment. Because anything that truly creates wealth takes time. The hidden cost of chasing easy money. Here's something most people don't realize. Chasing easy money isn't just ineffective, it's expensive. Not just in money, but in time. Every time you jump to a new, easy idea, you reset your progress. You go back to zero. You lose momentum. And slowly, you start doubting yourself. You think, maybe I'm just not good at this. But that's not true. You just never stayed long enough to see results. The real formula of wealth. If you strip everything down, wealth is actually very simple. Not easy, but simple. It looks like this. 1. Learn a valuable skill. 2. Apply it consistently. 3. Earn income. 4. Save and invest. 5. Repeat for years. That's it. No secret hacks, no shortcuts, no overnight success. Just boring, consistent, disciplined action. And that's exactly why most people don't do it. Because it doesn't feel exciting. It doesn't feel fast. It doesn't feel like a breakthrough. But it works. Instead of asking, how can I make money quickly? Start asking, how can I build something that keeps making money? That shift changes everything. Because now, you're not chasing outcomes. You're building systems. And systems create real wealth. So what should you actually do? Here's a simple way to think about it. Next time you see an easy money opportunity, pause. Ask yourself 3 questions. 1. What am I not seeing here? 2. How long did this actually take to build? 3. Am I willing to stay consistent even when it's not exciting? If the answer is no, then it's not a real opportunity for you. Because the truth is, the only people who succeed are the ones who stay when it gets boring. Money isn't hard because it's complicated. It's hard because it requires patience. And patience is something most people struggle with. That's why easy money will always exist as an idea. Because people will always want faster results. But the people who actually build wealth, they understand something different. They don't chase easy. They commit to simple. So the next time you see someone making money look effortless, remember this. You're not seeing the whole story. And that's okay. Because real wealth isn't built in moments. It's built in habits. Quiet, consistent, often boring habits that most people ignore. And maybe that's the biggest advantage you can have. Because once you stop chasing easy money, you finally start building real money. If this changed the way you think about money even a little, make sure you stick around.